Welcome back to the official Finflix channel. This video today is the first of our new series called Inspiration Mondays. If you like this video and want more like it, let us know in the comments section down below. If you are an ambitious person who wants to achieve great things in life, then this is the series for you. Every week we bring you the best quotes and advice to get your week started on the right foot. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Your destination is not the same as mine. There is a popular saying that goes, do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. This simply means that everyone has their own journey and timeline for success. Some people might reach their goals earlier than others, but it doesn't mean that you are any less capable of achieving your dreams. You have to trust the process and believe in yourself. Even if it takes you longer to reach your destination, it will still be worth it in the end. Number 2. It is okay to be scared. In a world where everyone seems to be so successful and happy all the time, it can be easy to feel like you are falling behind. But the truth is that everyone struggles sometimes. And it is okay to feel scared or insecure about your future. What matters most is how you choose to react to these feelings. You can either let them consume you and hold you back, or you can use them as motivation to push yourself forward. Remember that feeling scared does not make you weak. It just means that you are about to do something brave. Number 3. Stop worrying about what others think. One of the biggest obstacles that prevents us from pursuing our dreams is the fear of what others might say or do. We worry about being judged or ridiculed for taking risks or trying new things. But the truth is that you cannot please everyone all the time, and you shouldn't even try to. When you focus too much on other people's opinions, you're taking away your power to live the life that you want. You have to remember that you are the only one who can truly know what is best for you. So don't be afraid to follow your dreams no matter what anyone else thinks. Number 4. Small steps lead to big changes. When you have a big goal in mind, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and not know where to start. But the truth is that every big change begins with small steps. So break down your goals into smaller, more manageable chunks and take action on them one at a time. As you progress and see the results of your hard work, you will gain momentum and motivation to keep going. Don't forget that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was your dream. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. Number 5. The only person holding you back is you. There is a popular saying that goes, you are your own worst enemy. And it couldn't be more true when it comes to achieving your goals. Sometimes the only thing standing between you and your dreams is your own self-doubt and negative thoughts. You have to learn to recognize these thoughts and overcome them in order to move forward. Remember that you are capable of achieving amazing things, so don't let your inner critic hold you back. Number 6. Do what you love and love what you do. This is a famous quote by the 19th century English poet and critic John Ruskin. He said, "The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what's one's business to do and then to do it." These words are very powerful because they remind us that in order to be successful in life, we need to find our passion and pursue it with all our heart. It's not enough to just go through the motions and do what we think we are supposed to do. We need to find joy and fulfillment in our work and in our relationships. Only then can we truly be successful. Number 7. Everything is temporary. When things are going well, enjoy it while you can because it won't last forever. Similarly, when things are tough, don't get discouraged because it's just a phase that will pass. This mindset can help you stay calm and focused no matter what challenges come your way. Remember that your current situation is just a snapshot in time and it doesn't define your entire life. Keep moving forward and trust that things will eventually work out for you. Number 8. You can't connect the dots looking forward. This famous quote by Steve Jobs reminds us that we can't always see the full picture. Sometimes we make decisions based on the information we have at the time, even if it doesn't seem like the best choice in hindsight. That's why it's important to trust yourself and your instincts. Even if you can't see the full picture, you have the ability to make good decisions and create a fulfilling life. So don't let the fear of making the wrong choice hold you back. Take risks, explore new opportunities, and trust that everything will work out the way it should. Number 9. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. This quote highlights the importance of hard work and dedication in achieving success. While some people may have natural talents or advantages, those who work hard and persevere are ultimately more likely to achieve their goals. Hard work allows you to develop your skills and abilities, gain experience, and build a strong work ethic. These are all essential qualities for achieving long-term success. So never underestimate the power of hard work and dedication. With perseverance, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. Number 10. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. This powerful quote by Nelson Mandela reminds us that it's not our mistakes that define us, but how we respond to them. Life is full of ups and downs, and we will inevitably face challenges and setbacks. However, it is our attitude towards these obstacles that determines our success. Instead of dwelling on our failures, we should learn from them and use them as motivation to keep moving forward. Mandela's words are a call to action, a challenge to get up every time we fall and keep fighting for our goals. Number 11. Our greatest weakness is giving up. Giving up is the ultimate failure. It means admitting defeat in the face of adversity and abandoning our dreams and aspirations. However, we must learn to distinguish between when to stop fighting for something that is not meant to be and when to persevere through tough times. Sometimes it takes a Herculean effort to achieve our goals, and we must summon every ounce of strength within us to keep going. This requires mental toughness, resilience, and an unwavering determination to succeed. We must learn to push through the pain, discomfort, and exhaustion and keep moving forward towards our goals. Number 12. It always seems impossible until it's done. This famous quote by Nelson Mandela reminds us that anything is possible if we set our minds to it. It can be easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged when faced with a difficult task or challenge. However, we must never lose sight of our goals and allow ourselves to be defeated by negativity or self-doubt. Instead, we should embrace the challenge and approach it with a positive attitude and unwavering determination. By doing so, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our dreams. Number 13. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. This powerful quote by Winston Churchill emphasizes the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. Success and failure are two sides of the same coin, and both are necessary for growth and achievement. It is only through our failures that we learn and grow as individuals and as a society. Therefore, we must not allow ourselves to be defeated by setbacks and rejections. Instead, we should use them as opportunities to learn and improve. It is the courage to get back up after a failure and keep moving forward that truly counts. Number 14. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Your goals do not define you. They are just a desired outcome. What defines you is your daily routine, your habits, and your systems. You cannot expect to achieve extraordinary goals with mediocre habits. If you want to succeed, you must cultivate a winning mindset and a disciplined lifestyle. This means setting clear goals, developing actionable plans, building positive habits, and surrounding yourself with a supportive network. It also means being adaptable and willing to adjust your course of action as needed. Remember that success is not a destination, it's a journey. Number 15. Be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter and those who matter don't mind. This quote by Bernard M. Baruch encourages us to be authentic and true to ourselves. It reminds us that we cannot please everyone all the time and that we shouldn't even try to. Trying to conform to the expectations of others will only lead to unhappiness and dissatisfaction. We must learn to accept ourselves for who we are, including our flaws and imperfections. This means embracing our unique qualities and using them to our advantage. It also means speaking up for ourselves and our beliefs, even if it makes us unpopular. We must not be afraid to stand out from the crowd and be ourselves. After all, it's what makes us special. So there you have it, 15 inspiring quotes to kickstart your week on a high note. Remember that every Monday is a fresh start, an opportunity to learn and grow and to chase your dreams with renewed vigor. Embrace the day with a positive attitude and a proactive mindset. Trust in your abilities and don't be afraid to take risks. Always remember that you have the power to create your own success. So go out there and make this week your best yet. Thank you for watching, and make sure to share this video with your friends if you found it valuable. Until next time, keep hustling and stay motivated. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.